ARB has been manufacturing and designing compressors for decades. Over this time, 3 units have evolved that will cover any need off-road, whether it's a compact air compressor for running your air lockers only, a mid-size compressor that will run your air lockers and is also good for reinflating tires up to about a 35-inch tire, or the big twin, which will run your air lockers, inflate tires up to 37-inch, no problem whatsoever, and will run a series of air tools. Now we're going to take a look at the CKMP12, our small compact compressor. This little dynamo is feature-packed. The mounting system allows you to clock the compressor any way you wish. And by the way, you can orientate this any way you wish, whether it's on a wall, underneath the seat, laying down, upside down. Either way, the compressor is happy to work in any orientation. The filter system is serviceable. Inside there's a little foam filter which can be cleaned regularly, recommended especially in dusty conditions. You have a full snap-together wiring loom, as described earlier, with an on-off switch. Only for air lockers. This thing is durable and it will run for many, many years without issue. However, it isn't designed to pump up tires. It's just a little bit too small for that application. But for air lockers, this is the ticket. Our CKMP12 is a real workhorse. It is the heart of our compressor lineup. It is by far the go-to compressor for many, many reasons. Again, full snap-together wiring loom with switches, relays, and all the compressors come with a pressure switch to regulate it so it'll turn itself off when it gets to desired pressure. And while I'm on that, 100 psi is what the mid-size compressor and small compressor will pump up to. The twin will get up to 150 psi before it shuts off. But back to this guy. Many features in this. Thermal cutout switch in the motor. So if it gets a little bit hot, it'll shut itself down. And when it cools off, it starts right back up again. The intake here, the breather, very important. Unlike the smaller one, this one has a sintered bronze filter, which can be taken out, washed, very effective. I think it's down about 4 microns it'll filter. The crank in this has got a roller bearing, very robust. It has a hard anodized bore. There's a carbon fiber ring on the piston. The mounting system has got little vibration isolators on it, and this can also be rotated and orientated in any direction, up, down, sideways, laid down underneath the seat. Very powerful for its size, class leading as a matter of fact. This into a 35-inch tire will give you about 7 psi a minute at sea level.